Hello guys, today I repaired this Samsung 8.5 kg washing machine. Repaired this PCB board. The problem was start button not working. So now let's try. I turn on the washing machine. This is the power button and this is start button. So I turn on now. Okay, I press start. Okay, done. So this is Samsung top loading 8.5 kg washing machine. Take start button not working. This Samsung 8.5 kg. Take start button was not working. Now it's done. I try again. Now I turn on again. Okay, press start. Samsung 8.5 kg washing machine. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel.
Dah jam dah?
Sudah.
Banyak power lah jam dia. Macam mana you jam tu kan? Saya pun heran lah.
Nanti saya bagi tahu.
Betul boleh jam juga bot.